Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my YouTube channel Chai Tech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can turn off content join Telegram notification on your Telegram accounts. A page at the top you can see XYZ person has been joined Telegram. If you want to turn off these notifications then keep watching this full video and after that you will easily fix that notifications issue. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your Telegram account. Now tap at three horizontal lines appears at the top. Now tap at settings. Now tap at notifications and sound. Now scroll it up until you see a option content join Telegram. Now simply toggle this off and like this you can easily turn off your content join Telegram notifications on your Android devices. And very much same will be at your iOS devices. I hope that video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any other question or related this, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.